What is up, guys? So to curl your hair, you're obviously going to need a curling iron, right? So I'm using a 1-inch curling iron. Depends on the kind of curls you want. I suggest that, but it's up to you. And then you're going to obviously need some kind of styling shield for your hair. I'm using my favorite from Monat. It is used with natural ingredients, and it'll keep your hair smooth, healthy, and shiny. So you're going to rub that all throughout your hair. As always, you want to make sure you coat it all so that all of your hair is going to be protected against that really harsh heat that we're about to put on it. And let there be light. I just turned the light switches on. So now that we got that spread throughout our hair, we're going to be using dry shampoo. Doesn't matter which order you use it, but I'm using it now. It's just going to give it some volume. So I'm using my Champ Dry Shampoo from Monat once again. This dry shampoo is actually great because it's not going to give you any white residue. It is going to not allow your hair to, get a lot of bad buildup. And it also is super healthy with healthy ingredients. And check this out, it's going to help your hair grow. It has a Rejuvenique oil in it that will help your hair to grow. So I'm spraying that all throughout my hair, and now all of a sudden you see half of my head curled. And that's because I didn't want to take forever in this video. So we're going to go ahead. The way you're going to curl your hair is you are going to take it. It doesn't really matter, but I always curl my hair facing the back part of me, so not facing my face. I like to do it facing away from my face. And I start at the back of my head, just because it's a lot easier to keep track of what you're curling. You don't have to do that. If you want to split it up into sections, by all means, go ahead and do that. But I have a lot of hair, but my hair is very fine. So I don't see the need for doing that. I'm going to go ahead and just do it all in one go. So I'm doing a little dance, and, we're just curling some pieces here, flipping it back. You're going to keep on doing that. I suggest taking 1/2 to 1-inch pieces of hair and curling at a time. I usually start at the bottom of the curling iron and work my way to the top, twisting it. I do not use the clamp. You can get a curling iron without the clamp, but I just personally don't see the need for it. It just works just as well with the clamp. You just curl it over. So I'm curling literally all of the pieces as you see in front of your eyes and putting it away from my face. Cool beans. So I just did the part of my hair that is closest to my face last. And now I'm just rubbing my hands through my hair, making sure everything is good and even. And so I'm going to go ahead on the other side that I did off camera and redo some pieces just because I kind of rushed it. And I want to make sure everything is looking even and, at its full volume so that it will hold a curl as long as possible. So I'm going to go ahead and do that, once again twisting away from my face. And now I'm going to use my hairspray. And this hairspray is once again from Monat. It is natural hairspray, and I'm just spraying that all around my hair and doing a little dance. And here's the products that I used today. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Another frame. Wow, I must love them. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a great freaking day.